In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Planet Fitness membership. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Modifying your Planet Fitness membership in any way, be it transferring over from your home gym to a different location, upgrading or downgrading your membership is super simple. You will be able to do this on your account center. So in this video, I'm going to showcase the steps on how to access the account center, and I'm also going to browse through some frequently asked questions. So I recommend that you do this process on the website at planetfitness.com. This is something that can be done entirely online. However, you do also have the option to just go over to your local home gym and then talk to the people there. The agents will be able to help you change your fitness membership. You will be able to upgrade, downgrade, or even transfer it altogether if you prefer. But if you want to do it online, all that you have to do here is go over to the option to find a club or join them. In here, you will be able to use your location and then browse through the available memberships. So include your location and then you can choose between the Black Card or Classic. Of course, if you already have a membership, then all that you have to do instead is scroll down and you will find this option here. How do I make changes to my membership? And then by clicking this option, My Account, Planet Fitness, you will be redirected to another page like this where you can go over to access your membership. Need to upgrade, change club locations, make other changes to your membership, or contact your club? We make it easy. Just sign in to get started. So all that you have to do is click on this option to access your membership and you will be able to sign in using your credentials. By signing into this page, you will see an overview of your current membership status and you will be able to change it from active, downgrade, upgrade, and so on. So all that you have to do is go over to the Join Us option and then scroll down until you find My Account, or just click the option to sign in and then click on your icon at the navigation bar. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Planet Fitness membership. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.